Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Decor style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Decor is a celebration of cozy nostalgia, thrifted finds, floral patterns, warm layers, and personal keepsakes. It invites you to slow down, feel home, and surround yourself with beauty that rests in memories and charm. It's not about perfection, it's about heart. Decor tips to deepen the grandma core vibe. Mix mismatched china and teacups. Display a variety of floral and pastel teacups on open shelving or in a hut. Use them as planters, candle holders, or jewelry dishes for function and charm. Hang vintage art and cross stitch. Look for framed needlepoint, pastoral scents, oil portraits, or botanical prints at thrift stores. Don't worry if the frames don't match, it adds to the character. Use doilies in creative ways. Layered lace doilies under lamps, vases, or even in a gallery wall display. Try DIY projects like turning them into a lace bowl or using them for stenciling. Show off collectibles. Curate a small shelf or cabinet of vintage figurines, blocks, Pyrex bowls, or salt and pepper shakers. Rotate your display seasonally like grandma would. Create a cozy reading nook. Use a floral armchair or rocker, a side table for tea, and a lamp with a front or pleated shade. Add a crocheted throw blanket and a stack of classic books. Nature-inspired elements. Grow indoor plants in classic pots. Use ceramic, terracotta, or even repurposed teapots and cookie tins as planters. Incorporate dried florals, hang dried lavender or baby's breath in branches or place them in a vintage vases. Add pressed flowers to frames, journals, or glass cabinet doors. Textiles and furniture layering. Mix old-fashioned fabrics. Combine gingham, towel, calico, or needlepoint pillows. Layer quilts on beds or sofas. Look for hand-stitched or patchwork styles. Use skirted tables and ruffles. Drape lace or floral fabric over small side tables and let it puddle a bit. Add ruffled curtains or tablecloths for that soft, lifting feel. Scent and ambience. Use vintage-style lighting. Replace modern bulbs with warm, soft white tones. Find lamps with scalloped and embroidered lampshades. Bonus if they have a pull chain. Set the mood with scent. Burn candles in vintage holder, especially floral. Use scents like lavender, rose, vanilla, or fresh linen to mimic grandma's home. Add quirky sentimentality. Keep a cozy basket by a couch filled with knitting projects, embroidery hoops, or own books, even if you don't use them daily. They set the sense. Small details that matter. Use embroidered linens. Add hand-stitched or monogrammed napkins, placemats, or pillowcases. Look for scalloped edges or floral motifs. Add stitched shells or antique malls. Add a tabletop clock. Choose one with Roman numerals or a chime feature. Place it on a mantel, bedside table, or bookshelf for a timeless touch. Install a plate wall. Hang vintage decorative plates in a symmetrical or clustered layout. Use a mix of floral china, scenic designs, or commemorative plates. Drape a tablecloth daily. Don't save your pretty table linens for guests. Use lace or gingham tablecloths every day to bring coziness to your kitchen and dining table. Craft-inspired corners. Design a craft nook or sewing spot. Set up a small desk or cabinet with embroidery hoops, thread spools, yarn, and a vintage sewing machine, working or decorative. Hang a mini pegboard for tools and scissors, functional and cute. Furniture flair. Skirted furniture. Add skirts to vanities, sinks, or bookshelves using floral or lace fabric. It's an old-fashioned trick that hides clutter and adds texture. Use a pie safe or hats. These are ideal for displaying dishes, old books, or your favorite treasures. Paint them pastel or cream for a fresh update that still fits the aesthetic. Kitchen coziness. Display old cookbooks. Choose ones with weathered covers and handwritten notes. Stick them on the corner or prop them open on a wooden stand. Hang aprons or dish towels on hooks, embroidered freely, or patchwork aprons double as art when hung in the kitchen. Use glass canisters, store sugar, flour, tea bags, or cookies in labeled glass jars with floral lids or gingham bowls. Seasonally or rotating decor. Decorate seasonal like grandma did. Change out wreaths, floral arrangements, and table genres to match the seasons. Add mini seasonal decor like ceramic pumpkins, Valentine's hearts, or Easter bunnies. Set up a candy dish station. Place vintage glassed candy dishes, cut glass or milk glass, filled with pastel mints, wrapped caramels, or hard candies. Keep on a coffee table, entry table, or nightstand. Use slip covers for that lift-in look. Add floral or lace slip covers to chairs, footstools, or sofas. Bonus points if they are hand-sewn or trimmed with truffles or frills. Decorate with vintage appliances. Think rotary phones, old radios, typewriters, or even a manual fan. They don't have to work. Just being there brings warmth and character. Hang cookware like wall art. Display cast iron pans, copper pots, or painted wooden spoons on your kitchen wall. This mimics grandma's practical yet homey kitchen styling. Frame handwritten letters or postcards, especially lovely if they are from family members, even if just old pen pals. Mount them in small collage frames for added sentimental value. Cluster candlesticks and wall lamps. Mix brush, ceramic, or crystal candlesticks on mantles or tables. Even if you don't light them daily, the look is timeless. Place teeny vases everywhere. Fill small glass bottles, teacups, and pot vases with wildflowers or single blooms. Cluster them on windowsill, bathroom counters, and side tables. Embellish with ribbons. Tie velvet or stained ribbons around dryer pulls, curtains, or even lamp necks. Thanks for watching the video.